difference.
These people needed a strong reminder that the city doesn't bow to terrorists.
Susanna?
I thought that tasted funny.
Call 911. John, we have a new problem. City leadership is being targeted. They just poisoned the district attorney. I'm headed to my father. I need you and Thea on the other 2 members.
I'm closest to the head of emergency services. Thea, I need you at City Hall.
Are you okay?
Can we get a nurse over here?
Okay, listen, the district attorney just collapsed. Staffers think it might be poison, but I need toxicology. All right.
Just hold on, I'll get you some help.
You okay?
Captain Lance, you were warned.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, just a flesh wound.
Captain Lance, the district attorney was pronounced dead, and reports are coming in that the city comptroller and the head of emergency services have also been killed. That's pretty much the city leadership.
Carries on like this, there won't be a city left to lead.